Do it. Boom. Do it. Oh, you suck so bad, kid. Yeah? The camera's on and you don't want to act like a monster. Look, just acting all normal like he's the goodest little boy in the world.
Mm-hmm.
He does no bad.
There
you go. There you go. Do it again. Now you can see him. I bet you didn't even get it on the film.
No.
Of course not.
Do it again.
No.
There he goes, there he goes, there he goes.
He doesn't want the world to see how bad he is. You're not going to get him. Muzzle just...
He did it.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did.
He doesn't do it with how he's slamming it. Jumping
See, he's making noises too. He goes bzzzt, bzzzt. Your feet are in the way.
Oh, wow.
Here, you can record him. Told you your feet were in the way.
Just delete it.
Ah! He laughs. Ah! Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Oh my gosh. Do it again. Do it again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. Do it again. Do it again. Oh my gosh. Do it again. Woo! Again. Woohoo! Again.